Hello, I'm Lorena Montoya with Dell Technologies, and I wanted to start this conversation by talking a little bit about Dell EMC's multi-cloud strategy approach. We found right now that over 90% of companies are deploying workloads across the cloud. And what we found, the reason why most companies are deciding to move to the cloud is that they're experiencing several different pain points. Number one, data is growing, and it's caused the data center infrastructure to be very complex. So there's multiple points of management. IT managers, people that are working in the IT department, are spending 70% of their time maintaining multiple servers, multiple storage arrays, and backup. They're not spending most of their time on innovation or creating new ideas. And this also adds added costs with multiple maintenance contracts and vendor finger pointing whenever something goes wrong. If they have multiple vendors in their environment, this is also increasing risk. Due to this, we found that customers have turned to the cloud because they've seen that it's going to be much more simpler. It can be just as cost effective, and it's not going to take up as much of their day-to-day time. However, working with the cloud, we found that customers are also experiencing issues with the cost of storing everything in the cloud. They're experiencing inflexibility and moving from cloud to on-prem and vice versa, as well as concerns on not having their mission-critical applications on site. So working with customers, we realized that you needed a simple solution, something that was easy to manage, flexible, and cost-efficient. Here at Dell EMC, we created a turnkey solution called VMware Cloud Foundation for the cloud. So what this does is, in regards to simplicity, is going to give you a single pane of glass where you're able to manage both your cloud and your on-prem environments. And also it gives you a single vendor approach. So no more vendor finger pointing. And if anything goes wrong, you call one number. And lastly, it's going to be flexible. What we've done, and a really great thing we've done, is we've given you the ability with a hyper-converged infrastructure using VMware to be able to move workloads on and off-prem as they are natively written. So a lot of the problems that we're seeing is that applications were needed to be re-architectured to fit cloud or to move back from cloud to on-prem. So with this new foundation in place, we're able to mitigate those risks and mitigate those issues. And lastly, this is going to be a lot more cost effective. So taking a hybrid cloud approach means that you're going to be having, you're going to be dropping your total cost of ownership. We've seen on average customers are experiencing about a 0.25% drop, and that's because they're not sending all of their data up into the cloud, and they're not keeping all of their data on-prem. So here at Dell Technologies, we're constantly innovating to be on the cutting edge of technology, from the edge to the core to the cloud. We're number one in cloud, and we're number one for on-prem infrastructure. So we're committed to helping customers like you walk through this complex landscape and navigate the best solution to fit your needs. Thank you.